What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can remove a Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, as always, if you guys want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your Pokemon TCG Pocket account, you will be on this page right here. So now you need to go to your cards right here. And here, if you watched my Flair guide, these are the three options that you can use to equip Flairs in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So let's just say that you have a Flair equipped on one of your cards in your deck. So you would need to go to Decks, then select a deck, and if I scroll down a bit, you can see that I have a Flair equipped on this Slowbro card right here. So what you need to do to dequip a Flair, if it's equipped in a deck, you would need to go on this edit icon right here. And here just slide to the right until you can see the Pokemon with a Flair on it. Here we go. Now if you take a closer look, you can see the plus Flair icon on this specific card. So you would need to click on that icon. Be sure that you don't accidentally click on the card, because that will dequip it from your deck. And here's the Flair menu. So as you can see, currently this Flair is equipped on this Slowbro card. So to dequip it, just select the None field right here and click Use. Now you need to click OK. And as you can see, that Flair is no longer on our card. But to save the changes to this deck, you need to click Save right here. And now if we open that deck back again, you can see that the card no longer has a Flair on it. But what if you want to dequip a Flair from, let's say, a display board or a binder? For display boards, you will need to open the display boards menu, then select a Pokemon with a Flair on it. And here, as you can see, there is a Flair equipped. So again, you need to go to the edit menu right here. Then you would need to click on the card, tap on the card. And after you tap on the card, the little Flair icon will appear again. So you just tap on the Flair icon and click None. After you select None, you need to confirm your choice by clicking Use. Now the Flair is equipped, so you need to of course save your changes once more. And there we go. Now the Flair is equipped for this specific display board. And the same goes for dequipping Flairs in the binders section right here. Just select your binder with a Flair on it, click on this edit button right here, click on the Pokemon with a Flair on it, then the Flair icon will load, so just click plus icon, select None, select Use, and save the choice. And there we go, the Flair has been dequipped. So that's how you can dequip Flairs in Pokemon TCG Pocket from your decks, from your display boards, and from your binders. So at the moment, those are the only three options that offer Flairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.